It didn't work. No! Guys, today we are playing Don't Press the Button again. I think we played this in the past before, and for some reason I'm dead. Oh. What is happening? Can somebody help me? I don't know what was happening. Choose a cup. Where? Whatever. I'm gonna just do a dance move real quick. Alright. I don't know what's happening. Alright. Come on. Wait, where are my items? My items are no longer here. Okay, we gotta press the button, and it's 2:23 in the morning, a.m. I was just bored. 6 new stages, 8 new gears, 1 new game pass, 2 new badges, new map for the tsunami stage. Okay. What can I content? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh wait, here they are. Alright, let's see. Alright, I'm just spinning now. I'm just spinning. Oh. So he just left. Alright, I'm a chef. Thanks for the hat. No, where is it? No, 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 no. Haha. Oh, wait, how do I use this? They're all triggered. Oh my god. Dude, that was funny. That was funny. Replay the clip. Editing me. Triggered. No, 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 no. Okay, come on. No. Why is it playing? Alright. I don't want to hear music. No. Wait, 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 wait. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Haha. I won. Yes. Me and my bodyguards helped. This girl's wearing a coat. Whoa. For some reason, me and my bodyguards got really thick. Alright. Ooh. As you know, I'm so thick that I'm taking up the whole screen. No, stop. I think I shot them. I'm literally mostly in the picture. Okay. Everyone's getting smaller. Oh god. How do you feel that I just shot you? Not really, it's a fake on YouTube. Alright. Oh god, it's me. It's me. Here, shoot him, boy. Shoot him. Shoot him. Get him. Get him. Oh god, oh god. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. No. No, 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 no. Okay, he's... Oh, he just exploded. Ooh, Squid Game. They died. No, I'm slow. Oh, almost moved. Hey, how are you guys? Alright. I just shot him with the fake gun. Natural Man, Yummersome, and somebody wins. Alright. Ducks are falling from the sky. Make them land in your basket. No, I just do this. I'm gonna reset. Oh, I didn't reset. Why can't I? You know what? Yay. Huh. There I go. I am dead. Like, now I don't have a basket. I don't know why I got this. Oh, it's just flames. I don't press the button. Wow, 7 ducks. 7 ducks. Somebody won with 7 ducks. A diamond is in the cave. Oh, I can't move. Ah, no, stand up. No, I'm an idiot. No, get away from the walls. Alright. Quick, get into the hole in the wall. No. Haha, get wrecked. This guy sucks. What is this? What is this white thing? Alright, come on. Huh? Oh. Oh, it's Among Us. You are an absolute idiot. We're gonna die now. You guys are stupid. It doesn't work. You know what? Me and my guy Gabriel. We're gonna just stay together. Are we done? Dude! This girl is just... You look disgusting. Wait, what just happened? Oh. Oh. Wait, how did I get hair? I didn't even have any. I drink the hot sauce. What? Dodgeball? Oh, no. Watch out. No, get up, stop laying down. Get noob. Ah, no. My bodyguards do not help me. They suck. You guys are fired. Here, guys, I got you. He just died. Nice aim, guys. Yeah. Oh, is this again? Guys, we're doing Squid Game again. Mushroom Gray. It didn't work. No! Oh my god, now I gotta wait. Alright. Alright, so they won. They all won, and I just died. Wait, no. Oh my god. Holy crap. Holy crap, I almost died. Literally, I almost died right there. No! Oh, you can't jump. Oh no. Please, sisters. Oh, no. Oh, how am I alive? How am I alive? How was I alive? Anyways, that's it of Don't Press the Button. This I'm gonna do one more, and oh, I don't remember this one. Alright, come on, come on, come on. No, 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 come on, dude. We gotta like, this is like Splatoon. Stop, noob! Haha, that's why you got griefed, man. Get griefed. Stop doing that. This is not funny. You guys are ruining our lives. We could all die tomorrow. I'm not saying that as if it is, cause we can all die whenever time. Alright. Yay, we won. Anyways, that's don't press the button. His game is alright. Yeah. This game is I gave it a 5 out of 5 and a 10 out of 10. All that combined. And yeah, so goodbye. Hope you have a great afternoon, night, morning. Goodbye, y'all.